what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. So I told you guys in the last video that we're actually going to be looking at 5 things that you can check on your imported engine to make sure that it's healthy. That was supposed to be the next video, but unfortunately I'm waiting for some parts still to do that video. So today's video, we're actually going to focus a little bit on my chassis. I pulled the KA already. I know I didn't do it on camera. Honestly, I've pulled the engine a bunch of times already, so you guys already know the deal with that. We got a bunch of work to do. I've already started prepping for paint because this engine bay desperately needs paint. The tube front needs paint. It's starting to rust. So I've started kind of doing that off camera. I have a lot more work to do for that prep, but we have other things that need to be done on the chassis. For example, we have, my drive shaft is just hanging. I have an axle to replace. Whoa. Yeah, I blew an axle, so I gotta replace that axle. We actually gotta drop the diff, and we gotta move these fuel lines for the JZ have to be moved from this side of the chassis to this side of the chassis. So we're gonna drop the fuel lines and move those over. All right, let's get to it. Alright guys, well, I can't get the I can't break the lug nuts loose because the wheel's off the ground. The impact can't do it. I can't put a breaker bar on it because it just spins the wheel. So here's how I'm gonna do this. Alright, I got the handbrake. I'm gonna pull the handbrake with one hand. Yes! Don't ask me how I'm going to do the other side. I can't reach the handbrake. So I've never replaced an axle before, but it shouldn't be too hard. Cotter pin, this needs to come out. This little shield thing comes out. And then I think it's like a big like 36 or 28. So yeah, there should be an axle right there. And there's not. There's where it goes into the diff. Right there. Blown apart. Yeah, and there's where the rest of it should go. The axle kind of fell out while I was driving. I literally made it down the street and the axle literally just left the chat. There it is. Good old axle. And all the bits. Alright guys, there you have it. That's how you take the axle out. Wow, guys, look at this. Holy cow, dude. It freaking sheared this thing apart. Alright boys, got the diff out. It looks freaking dirty, and it is freaking pains me to touch the camera with these hands right now.
The new camera is just taking a beating. Anyway, check it out. Diff is out. So I can't get this axle out right now because same problem as the other side. I can't get this wheel off because it's not on the ground and I can't break the lugs loose. For now, diff is out. We can go ahead and put in, here's my replacement axle. Let's go ahead and put this one in. I've never done it, but obviously we just took it out. It wasn't that hard, so I'm assuming we can just slide it in from the back. You just gotta get these splines through here. Keep this guy in back here. All right, guys, so the axle's in. I'm gonna wait to actually put the cotter pin and everything back on till I can torque it. Obviously, since I don't have anyone here to hold the brakes, I can't really torque it yet. Well, I got some boys to come over and help, but they brought some toys. So we'll see how much work we actually get done. He lost his hat. I have to go change out of the Crocs because every time I walk out here with the Crocs, my socks get full of stickies. Say hi to the vlog. What's up, vlog? Oh God! Did you spit your gum out? You good?
I'm looking great. Oh, redo.
Huge shout out to Casey real quick. He came by to grab a lower harness and he fixed the tire machine. It's been like months, dude.
Hey.
Months.
We just needed a better plug on the end of it, and she's good to go.
Yeah, honestly, it was literally just the plug, like the wires inside the plug burnt out. So I'm gonna go buy a new plug for it. And after literally like almost 6 months, we got the tire machine back. So I'm stoked. All right, so the homies are done pit biking for a little bit.
Just for now.
Yeah. All right, so earlier, guys, I left off this side with not torquing the axle down all the way because I didn't have someone to hold the brakes. So Jones is gonna hold the handbrake for me, and then I'm gonna just tighten down that axle nut.
All right, this motherfucker's hella tight already.
All right, guys, well, apparently the old impact was able to get it on pretty tight because I can't really get much more out of it. Try one more time. Oh, she tight. All right, so now we can put the cotter pin back in. Oh wait, almost forgot this thing again. And then the cotter, boom, boom. Okay, now we need to have Jones hold the brake one more time so I can bust off. Yeah, the passenger wheel's still on. Hang on, guys. All right, well, looks like this side is a little toast. Oh.
Yes,
Comment below, is this good? Is this okay? Should I keep running? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was just a lot of me working on the car, but that's kind of gonna be a lot of these next videos because I got a lot of work to do on this thing. So We still got engine bay to prep. I've done a lot in here already, but I got a lot more to do. So engine bay prep, still got to do the fuel lines, still got to do like find a diff, finish the axles, paint everything, finish the JZ. So we got a lot to do. But anyway, stick around, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you guys thought. Peace, guys.